Dangerous truth, lesson 4, the quality control void. Here's the harsh reality nobody talks about. When your independent cleaner does terrible work, you have nowhere to turn. They get defensive, argue about what was agreed upon, or simply refuse to fix problems. You have no recourse, no professional standards to enforce, and no way to get your money back. Independent cleaners answer only to themselves. They have no quality control systems, no professional oversight, and no accountability beyond their personal mood that day. When they cut corners, skip tasks, or do substandard work, there's no authority figure you can appeal to and absolutely no guarantee of resolution. This leaves you trapped. You've paid for services you didn't receive, wasted your entire day waiting for results that never came, and now you're stuck either accepting poor work or starting over with someone new. At Made Perfect, we've eliminated this nightmare completely. Every cleaner in our network operates under strict professional standards with full corporate oversight. We have customer service teams, quality control systems, and professional accountability that ensures consistent results every single time. Our mystery shopper program monitors service quality monthly. Our 24/7 customer service team resolves any issues immediately. Our before and after photo documentation system provides proof of work completion. And our satisfaction guarantee means if you're not happy, we make it right. No arguments, no excuses. We understand that our reputation depends on every single job meeting professional standards, not just the ones we feel like doing well. And that's the difference between hoping for good service and guaranteeing it. When quality problems arise, and they do with every service company, we have the systems, authority, and professional obligation to fix them immediately. You'll never be left hanging with no recourse and no resolution. Stop gambling with independent cleaners who have no oversight and no accountability. Book with Made Perfect online and experience the peace of mind that comes with professional quality control systems and guaranteed service standards.